Have you ever wondered how one of the world's most beloved KitKat is made? Today, we will delve into the fascinating process of how KitKat is produced. Known for its delightful layers of crispy wafers covered in smooth chocolate, this treat is enjoyed by millions around the globe. It has secured its place in various cultures and regions, becoming a staple indulgence that brings joy and satisfaction to snack time. In this video, we will walk you through every step of the manufacturing process, from sourcing raw materials to the final product that makes its way into your hands. The journey begins with sourcing the raw materials, which are essential to the creation of this popular confectionery. The main ingredients used include cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and wheat flour for the wafers. The cocoa beans, which give the chocolate its distinct flavor and richness, are primarily sourced from regions near the equator. West Africa, particularly countries like Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, is known for producing high-quality cocoa. These regions benefit from ideal climate conditions, which allow farmers to cultivate cocoa beans with the best flavor profiles. According to the International Cocoa Organization, Côte d'Ivoire accounts for nearly 40% of the world's cocoa supply, making it a significant player in the global chocolate industry. The process of harvesting cocoa is labor-intensive and involves a great deal of care and attention. Farmers typically hand-pick the cocoa pods when they are ripe, ensuring that only the best quality beans are collected. After harvesting, the cocoa beans undergo a fermentation process that is critical for developing their flavor. The beans are placed in banana leaves and allowed to ferment for several days. This process allows the natural sugars in the beans to break down, enhancing the flavor and reducing bitterness. Following fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry, which helps to further develop the taste and reduce moisture content. Once dried, the beans are packaged and shipped to chocolate manufacturers worldwide. The sugar used in the production of KitKat can come from both sugarcane and sugar beet, depending on the availability and regional preferences. Sugarcane is primarily grown in tropical regions such as Brazil and India, where the warm climate supports its growth. On the other hand, sugar beet is typically cultivated in cooler climates, such as Europe and North America. The wheat used for the wafers is usually sourced from regions that have suitable growing conditions, with countries like Canada and the United States being notable suppliers. Quality control begins at this early stage of sourcing raw materials. Once the ingredients arrive at the factory, trained personnel conduct inspections to assess the quality of the cocoa beans, sugar, milk powder, and wheat flour. Each ingredient undergoes thorough examination. For cocoa beans, this includes checking for size, color, and moisture content. Only the best beans are selected for production. The sorting process also evaluates the beans for defects, such as mold or insect damage, as even a small percentage of inferior beans can affect the overall flavor and quality of the chocolate. Once the raw materials have been sourced and examined, they proceed to the initial cleaning and preparation process. For cocoa beans, this step is crucial as it involves removing any foreign materials, such as twigs or leaves. The beans are then roasted, which brings out their rich flavor and helps loosen the shells from the nibs. The roasting process can vary in time and temperature, depending on the desired flavor profile. Longer roasting times typically lead to a richer, deeper chocolate flavor. The roasting is typically done in large rotating ovens that allow for even heat distribution, ensuring that every bean reaches the right temperature without burning. The sugar is also cleaned during this stage, often through washing to remove impurities. Milk powder, being a dairy product, undergoes safety and quality checks to ensure it meets necessary health standards. The wheat flour is inspected to ensure it is free from contaminants and has the right protein content for the baking process. Maintaining a hygienic environment during this initial cleaning is critical to prevent cross-contamination, and equipment such as industrial blowers and sieves is commonly employed to ensure all unwanted materials are removed before the ingredients are processed further. Following the cleaning process, the next step involves the primary processing stage, where the raw materials are transformed into the main components of the confectionery. The cocoa nibs are ground into a liquid state, known as chocolate liquor, which is essential for creating the chocolate coating. This grinding process releases cocoa butter and results in a smooth, viscous substance. This is typically done using a conching machine, which continuously grinds the nibs while incorporating air to develop a smooth texture and rich flavor. The conching process can take several hours, depending on the desired end product. The capacity of these machines is significant, often able to process large quantities of cocoa nibs within a short period. The sugar is mixed with the milk powder and other ingredients to create a sweet milk chocolate mixture. This blend is then combined with the tempered chocolate liquor, resulting in the rich chocolate coating that is characteristic of KitKat. Tempering is a crucial process in chocolate production, as it ensures that the chocolate has a glossy finish and a smooth texture. The chocolate mixture must reach specific temperatures to melt evenly and avoid graininess, ensuring that the final product has that smooth, creamy texture that consumers love. This process involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate in a controlled manner, allowing the cocoa butter crystals to form properly. The wafers, which are light and crispy, are produced from the flour that was previously inspected. The flour is mixed with water and other ingredients to form a dough. This dough is then rolled out into thin sheets, which are cut into rectangles. These rectangles are baked in large ovens at carefully controlled temperatures to achieve the desired crispiness. The production capacity at this stage is substantial, with factories capable of producing thousands of wafers every hour to meet consumer demand efficiently. The baking process usually lasts several minutes, during which the temperature is meticulously controlled to prevent burning the delicate wafers. The scale of production is truly impressive. KitKat factories operate on a vast scale, producing millions of bars each year to satisfy the cravings of chocolate lovers around the world. It is estimated that the brand sells over 16 billion bars annually, making it one of the most popular chocolate bars globally. This level of production necessitates an efficient assembly line, with each step carefully timed to ensure maximum output without sacrificing quality. If you're enjoying this video and learning about the intricate process of how your favorite chocolate treat is made, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos exploring more delicious food production journeys. After the wafers have been baked to perfection, they undergo a cooling process. This cooling phase is critical as it allows the wafers to maintain their crunch when assembled. Once cooled, the wafers are stacked in layers. These layers are then sandwiched together using a light cream filling made from sugar, vegetable oils, and stabilizers. This cream filling adds a delightful texture and sweetness, complementing the crispy wafers. Depending on regional preferences, the filling can also vary in flavor, with options including hazelnut, strawberry, and mint, which are introduced in limited editions or special seasonal releases. The filling is applied in a controlled manner to ensure that each layer has a consistent amount, contributing to the overall taste and texture of the finished bar. Once the layering process is complete, the next step is to coat the wafer layers with the rich chocolate mixture. The coated layers then pass through a cooling tunnel where they are solidified. This cooling process is essential, as it ensures that the chocolate sets properly, providing the signature snap that consumers expect when biting into a KitKat. The factory's cooling tunnels are designed for efficiency, allowing a continuous flow of products while maintaining optimal temperature conditions. These tunnels often use air circulation to ensure that the chocolate solidifies evenly, preventing any deformities in the final product. After the product has been coated and cooled, it moves on to the cutting stage. Each KitKat bar is typically made up of 4 fingers, though there are variations that may include different sizes or shapes. The cutting process is executed with precision, ensuring that each bar is uniform in size and shape. This attention to detail is essential, as consumers expect consistency in their favorite treats. The cutting machinery is equipped with sharp blades that can swiftly and cleanly slice through the layers without damaging the delicate structure. Now that the product has been coated, cooled, and cut into its final size, it proceeds to the packaging stage. Hygiene plays a crucial role during this process, as maintaining cleanliness is vital for product quality and safety. The bars are typically packaged in a protective wrapper that preserves their freshness and prevents contamination. Modern packaging machinery is integral to this stage, with machines capable of wrapping thousands of bars per hour. These machines are equipped with sensors to ensure accurate wrapping and sealing, which is essential for preventing any contamination. The packaging material is designed not only for protection but also for marketing, often featuring bright colors and eye-catching designs that attract consumers. In addition to standard packaging, the brand also releases special editions and variations of the chocolate treat. These may include unique flavors or seasonal designs, making the product even more appealing to consumers. The flexibility in packaging allows for creative designs that reflect current trends and consumer preferences. Limited edition flavors are often launched around holidays or special events, allowing fans to enjoy new twists on their favorite bars. This strategy not only boosts sales but also keeps the brand relevant in a highly competitive market. Once packaged, the bars are stored in a temperature-controlled environment to maintain their freshness. The storage conditions are critical, as they ensure that the chocolate does not melt or lose its quality. After storage, the bars are prepared for distribution, which involves an intricate logistics network designed to deliver the products to retailers effectively. This network includes both local and global distribution channels, allowing the brand to reach consumers in various regions. During transportation, it is essential to maintain the correct temperature and conditions to keep the product fresh. Delivery trucks are equipped with refrigeration systems to prevent melting during transit. The distribution process includes a series of checkpoints to ensure that the product is stored and handled correctly at every stage. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees that consumers receive the freshest product possible when they purchase their favorite chocolate treat. As we near the end of our exploration into how this delightful treat is made, it is worth noting that the brand has focused on sustainability in recent years. Efforts are being made to source cocoa through sustainable practices, supporting farmers and promoting environmentally friendly cultivation methods. This commitment to sustainability is part of a broader initiative to ensure that the production process is not only efficient, but also ethical and environmentally responsible. Many cocoa farmers now participate in certification programs that encourage sustainable farming practices, helping to protect the environment while also improving their livelihoods. One such initiative is the Nestlé Cocoa Plan, which aims to improve the lives of cocoa farmers and ensure a sustainable supply chain. The program focuses on enhancing agricultural practices, promoting gender equality, and investing in community development. By working directly with farmers, the brand helps improve crop yields and quality, benefiting both the producers and consumers. This commitment to sustainability is increasingly important to consumers, who are more conscious about the origins of their food and the impact it has on the environment. If you enjoyed learning about how this beloved chocolate treat is made, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on food production. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey through the making of KitKat.